Okay, so I'm gonna plug the goggles in. Now these are the EV100 goggles from eSheen. It didn't come with a DVR. I bought a separate DVR and I have it plugged in on the side. I'm not sure how to start the recording, but we'll see. Let's get everything else hooked up. Okay, let's hook up the first battery. Okay, the first battery we're hooking up is a 4-cell 650 with an XT30 connector. Oh, okay. I don't know why this battery came loose here. That's okay. I have to take the lens cover off the bottom lens. Put that in my pocket. Let's see if we have an image in the goggles. Okay, we do. We do. Okay, let's see if we can get this recording. Okay, it looks like the goggles are recording. We'll put this, let's start this up. Let's put the goggles on. Okay. And away we go. Well, I guess doing the simulator actually does help you. Oh, the wind is really strong now. That wind is pretty strong.
tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
I'm gonna tell you,
I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know, oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountaintop. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something deep inside, yeah, that really makes me wanna speak my mind, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna show you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my lips, and that's how much they wanna kiss you and caress you and love you till my dying day. You're the only one I need, no one else. I tell your friends, I tell your family, I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, 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 yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really
Yeah, I definitely got to get a better strap. This is, I don't know, this is not great. But anyways, this is the very first time I've actually been able to fly this thing, and I've had this for over a year. So I'm not sure how much flight time I'm actually getting. Probably a few minutes. Okay, so we can see I'm having trouble seeing the battery on the left-hand side of the screen. It's really windy up there. Okay, now I don't see any recording on the screen. I wonder what happened with that, because the drone should automatically record on takeoff, and I don't see any recording going on.